Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day
27.
Day 27. If you've missed days 1 through 26, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below, and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. What Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween, so we are opening a gift or gifts from Grammi Dye, who's curated all of Vlogtober. It's either for me, Juliet, family, Nicholas, or my husband, whatever, we never know. Today we have 3 family ones though. Juliet always opens family. I'm going to open one today because we have 3. She's going to open 2. Let's go for it. Oh.
This looks interesting, guys.
Looks delicate, like it's maybe breakable. Would you like me to help you?
I want it.
Okay. Oh, cute.
It's handsome.
That is so stinking cute. I wonder where she got this. It's scented, but oh my gosh, how cute. It's a pumpkin. Well, oh, I thought it was a pumpkin. It just says boo, and it's got like a little graveyard. And then here is the other side. Let's see if it says what scent it is. It just says scented. Doesn't say what kind though.
And if we sniff it up close enough.
Okay, you can sniff. Can you tell?
No.
Well, it's very adorable. We will be using this. Thank you so much, Mom. Okay, do the next one.
Maybe I think it's another hand
soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see like the, what's this called? The little pump thing.
Oh.
That looks humongous. Maybe it's like a body wash or something. What? Is this a soap?
I think it is.
I think it is too. That is adorable. It is like a haunted house. Oh my gosh, how cute. You can see, right? Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, let's smell this one without making a mess.
Oh, it smells nice.
Ooh, it does kind of fruity. Okay, these are awesome, and what I love about these is they're massive and they will last a long time. So that is super cool. Okay, well, I'm guessing this is the soap too.
Yup.
Yes, it is. Is it the same? It's the same. It's another haunted house. So cute.
One for each bathroom.
Yeah, we have 3 bathrooms, so 1 for each bathroom. Or maybe 1 in the kitchen and, yeah, no, the bathrooms. These are adorable. I love these. Which one do you want for your bathroom? Haunted house?
The haunted house.
So we'll put this maybe in the downstairs. I don't know. Anyways, these are the 2 different ones. So cute. I love this. I love this day. This is awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Mom. This was a really fun day 27. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 28. Bye.